Hi, hello. Oh, sorry. Hi guys. My name is Prince Chuku, aka Director P, and I'm a filmmaker and a cinematographer and a video editor. So today I'm going to be making a short clip, maybe like something around 45 seconds or a minute video, and I'm gonna be filming to show you how the producer or Vista Brown will be making an instrumental with just this right here. You wanna see? Yes, this is it. Budweiser. Okay. So and see, guy, do not touch my beer again. What is your problem, man? Calm down. I can't take your drink. I know it's all yours. Don't worry. Your problem is too much. Oh, sorry guys. So, and he's also going to be using this, and I'm going to be using this Sony camera, and of course this camera that is filming me right now, which is Canon 80D, and this is Sony A6400K, that okay camera with the kit lens, and I have two lights here, two LED panels, and this is a 550 watts, and this is a 660 watts. So, and they are all newer lights, the latest model, just small, little and portable. Don't worry, you will see the video. So guys, Mr. Brown will be making this beat, and it's gonna be elite. He's gonna be also using this keyboard. I don't know the names, but you know, it is for the music language, you know. And this is the laptop, and then there is a boombox here. So guys, chill and watch, and don't forget to subscribe. You understand what I'm saying? Okoro, please, can you help me set up the lights so that we can start the shoot? Fine, I'll go and set the light. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Anyway, guys, so my name is also Okoro, and I am the twin brother to this guy. Yeah, okay.
How I do my thing, smooth, 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 smooth. That's on everything.